Okay, question number 6. The ball is kicked so that it has an initial velocity of 12 meter per second at an angle of 50 degree to the horizontal ground. Okay, assume that the air resistance is negligible, right? So when you kick it from here, what will happen? The ball will now start moving like this only. It will describe a projectile motion. What is the maximum height above the ground that is reached by the ball? So what is the maximum height? You need to find out this value of h. How do I find the value of h? So I find out the value of h using the formula h is equal to uy square divided by 2g, which is nothing but u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Now let me substitute all the values. What is u? 12, and then sine theta. What is sine? Sine theta, sine 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 9.8. Okay, let me do the calculation for you. So this will now be 12 into, okay, let me find out for sine 50. Sine of 50, sine of 50, sine of 50 multiplied by 12 is equal to so much, and I need to square this. I get this value, then divide this by 2 into 9.8, 19.6. 19.6. When I do this, I get the answer 4.31. 4.31 should be your answer. 4.3 is the answer C. Okay.